So guys, today I'm sharing you how you can easily get some free traffic from free website, and this is very simple tricks. The tricks is I am going to present so many free traffic website with those person who need actually free traffic. Okay, so the method is this website. I will give you the code of this website. You just need to copy and paste the code in your blog, and this post will be ready. And what actually in this post you will have that in this post have so many free traffic website, and that's it. That's actually what we are going to do. So for that you need the code first. You can get the code. I will share the link in comment box. So first open the make money traffic set code. Okay, you will get the code from the comment box, and then open new post and then paste the code from h2. Okay, paste the code from here. Very simple way. So okay, I just pasted in here, and I need to just need a image, and the image also very easy. See, just in my post you need to save the image. Okay, after that, after saving the image, just or you can copy the image address also. You can use that method, anything you want, and paste in here. Okay, and insert the image, then okay. See, actually my marketing is done. What I am actually need, the basic is ready. I just made a post, and now I will share this post with those traffic who need actually free website. So you need to do share this link now. And when you share this link, see, I am sharing you some available group here. Most of the group don't support direct link, but no, don't worry. Many of those accept the link, and this is actually benefit. So what actually you are going to do, you just open the group link from here. Okay, after opening the group link, I will share the link also, group link also, don't worry. After opening all the group link, you now in the post section you need to attract traffic with this type of content. Okay, if you attract in with this type of content, you know what, the engagement is very important. When you post relevant, when you post good quality content in the group, the traffic is very high quality, and it is very easy to get traffic. And see, actually what I am doing, I am just attracting people with a simple image, the image and a link. In this link they will get so many free traffic website, and this is my method. And you can see the result. Like, this is a simple things, but people skip it. I mean, sometimes people think that thought that this is not working, but actually this work. There is all free traffic website link, and if someone get this link, he will be very happy because he need traffic. So you need to find those group where people need traffic and share your link there. Also you can use comment section, that even if anyone asks for the traffic's problem, if they cannot getting the traffic, you can share this link, and by using this link, he or she or they'll benefit from this post, because this is a helpful post. And when you share a helpful post, it get much engagement from others, comparing others. I hope you got my point, and you need to do this type of, you know what, marketing strategy. This is a complete marketing strategy I am doing. And you know what, it's a one kind of sale also. When you share something in group, in social media, it's a one kind of sale. But if you don't use the marketing strategy like me, I hope your engagement maybe not good enough to generate more earning in Adsterra. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it will help you uh, example of how to get traffic. And thank you again. Please do a comment if you think it's helpful for you.